Already cooked my recipe for today. This is curry pakora. As you can see, the small that is seeds, cumin seeds, zira. And this is pakora and this is curry. Yung lasi o kaya laban. So luto na ang aming ulam for dinner. It's long preparation to cook. When I start to cook, it's time. When I start to cook, it's 11:30. Now, time is 3:30 p.m. So, almost 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. But no problem. Alhamdulillah, our dinner is ready. And this is also tomorrow until lunch. Nilipat ko na dito kasi doon ako nagluto sa labas, yung sa kahoy. Yan. So, takpan natin. Diba? Nakasave ako ng gasol. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make curry pakora. And these are all the ingredients. We call it here in village lassi. And in Arabic, they call it laban. But in Saudi, it's already in pack, but this one is fresh from cow's milk to yogurt to lassi or laban. So this is juice of yogurt, and this yogurt they keep, I think no, they keep more than 1 kilo or 2 kilogram of fresh cow's milk, and they live for 1 day and then become yogurt. Then yogurt they will grind this one in machine. So these are juice of yogurt. Then yogurt to lassi. And so these are all the ingredients. This one is basin. They call it basin where we are making pakora. So that's why I make curry pakora. In this basin for making pakora in English is gram flour or chickpeas flour or garbanzos. So ito yung aking ilalagay. I put 6 tablespoons of basin or gram flour and 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and onions, garlics, and green chilies. So this one, onions and garlics, I have to grind this one. And this one I have to dilute now with lassi or laban, or what you call this. I already put slices of onions and garlics, native garlics in a blender. Then instead of water, I use this what you call this lassi or laban or juice of yogurt. So I have to grind now this one. We'll start now to grind. So I already make fire here outside, and I have to start now to cook this curry pakora. So I put this juice of yogurt, lassi or laban. Now I have to put now this grinded onions, garlics with juice of yogurt or lassi. And then this turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. And green chilies. And what is more? And this one, lassi or diluted lassi with gram flour, chickpeas, or garbanzos or basin. I mix this one with juice of yogurt. Now we have to put now this one here also. Yan. This is very long preparation and very long time also to cook this curry pakora. So must be very careful because it will be coming out this lassi here. Yan. Dapat ano lang siya, ganyan lang. Halo-haloin lang yan. Kasi pag ano, medyo kumukulo na ito, aapaw ito, kaya dapat lang na ano na bantayan at ano, halo-haloin lang ganyan. I did not put all because this is not enough. This container is pressure cooker. This is very old. So, gamit ko na lang ito sa pagluluto dito sa labas. I cook also rice here and any kind of dishes. Yeah, like yesterday, I cook this red kidney beans. Because if I will cook in gas stove, then my gasol will finish. And this is very long time also to cook this one. This is full and then it will become cooked. This one become half. So I think maybe 2 to 3, 4 hours this one it will become cooked. So watch nyo na lang kung paano ako magluto nitong curry pakora. And not always I cook this one. If there is available this laban or lassi, then I can cook. So I asked this one up because she care cow and we are getting also milk there. So monthly we are paying also milk for cow. Over there, that is their house over there because she have one cow. She's carrying cow. So yesterday I cooked red kidney beans curry, and then she have also available because she make butter for this yogurt. And then I told yesterday afternoon that if she have available this lassi, so she said yes. So today I get today, then I cook. But this only for our dinner, not only for dinner, until tomorrow lunch also. Because yesterday I cooked red kidney beans curry, then still I have there for our lunch. So this is only for our dinner. Sana hindi uulan. O tingnan nyo yung ano, yung langit. Baka uulan kasi madilim. O sana ano, pag natapos na akong magluto nito, saka pa uulan, babagsak ang ulan. Pero inshallah baka mamayang hapon pa ang ano, bagsak ng ulan nito. Kaya makaluto pa ako dito. Ayan, hindi pa ano, nangalahati. Kanina dito. Oh. Ayun. Pero ano pa ito, matagal pa ito maluto. Kasi hindi pa sticky eh. Oh. Dapat nito sticky and then ano, halos kalahati ito. Ay nag-start ng umulan pa konti-konti. Sana wag lakasan. Patapusin muna ako magluto dito. Ano na, 1 PM na. Ano ngayon eh, Friday. Juma Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. And today is, ano pala ngayon, August 29. And 1 PM now. And today is Friday. Kaya naririnig nyo yung azan doon. Azan. Yan, may sikat na naman ng araw. Oh. Minsan makulimlim, tapos ulan konti. Yun sa taas nagpapausok sila kasi may baka nga siya doon na alaga, mga lamok, para mataboy yung mga lamok. Let's prepare pakora for curry because my curry is almost cooked, so now I prepare this for pakora. Now we have to put here in bowl. This is a basin or chickpeas or gram flour or garbanzos. Then only water here. This is pakora for curry, and this is different from pakora that one we are making for especially on Ramadan, because that we are making for Ramadan, we mix also potatoes, but this one is different, only basin here to mix with water only. I put also some salt here. Then I have to fry this one. It's almost half now. Before here, now it's almost half and almost already sticky, but it's still not cooked, so we have to cook more, 30 minutes more. Ayan. Dapat ito more sticky pa. This is already cooked, and this is enough also sticky. So I will transfer now this one here in my non-stick wok because I have to cook now pakora. Making now pakora for curry. So this already I cook. Now we'll put now this fried pakora here, like that, and there is also some here. Now we can put some oil here. Ganyan ang pagluto. So luto na ito, ilagay ko na din ito dito lahat. Ayan, tikman natin ang dinuto kong curry pakora. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ito na yung pakora na basin. Sarap. Masarap ito sa kanin, kaya magsasaing ako ng kanin. Pwede din ito sa chapati, pero sa akin talaga rice. Sa kanila gawa ako ng chapati. Pero mas masarap ito sa kanin kasi curry pakora. Masarap itong pakora niya. Parang quick ba? Kain tayo ng dinner. Ayan, di kami sabay-sabay kumakain. Kung sino yung gutom, yun ang kakain. Pero silang talaga yung pinapauna naming kumain. So, sa akin ito ay rice. Ito na yung curry pakora. At saka pwede rin ang chapati. Sa kanila chapati, kaya nakagawa na din ako. Ganyan yan ang kakain. Ganyan. Pag curry pakora, masarap pag rice. Pero sa kanila, chapati talaga. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ganito naman pagkakain ka ng chapati. Ganyan yan. Yan. Pero sa akin rice talaga masarap.